Why is a 9H or 10H hardness rating printed on almost every ceramic coating bottle when there's no official industry standard behind that number? And the brand printing it is usually the one testing it. Only one coating on this list backs its hardness claim with a named third-party lab report anyone can look up. And I'll show you exactly which one, and why that single detail matters more than any number on the label. I'm also running the real math on a 500 wash durability claim that sounds like decades of protection, but barely survives a single winter. Every price, hardness rating, and durability figure here comes from official brand pages, Amazon owner data, and detailer testing. Product links are in the description. Number 6, Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light plus EXO V5. This is the most involved product on the list, and Gtechniq prices it that way, $129.95 for the 30 milliliter combo kit, or $189.95 if you step up to the 50 milliliter size for a larger vehicle. Crystal Serum Light is the consumer version of Gtechniq's professional-only crystal serum, and it's rated at 9H hardness, offering around 80% of that professional coating's protection and chemical resistance. Gtechniq rates CSL for 3 to 5 years, and it resists chemicals from pH 2 all the way to pH 12 once cured. EXO V5 sits on top as the hydrophobic layer, rated for roughly 18 to 24 months. And Gtechniq's own retail partners cite testing showing it's still producing water beading after 600 wash cycles. Put another way, a weekly wash schedule for over a decade still wouldn't outlast that beading claim, though real-world results will always trail a controlled test like this. Here's the part that separates this from every other product on this list. You cannot spray this on in a driveway between errands. Your vehicle needs to be indoors, out of direct sunlight, at a controlled temperature, for a minimum of 12 hours after each layer cures. Full paint correction and decontamination are required first, and the two-part application, CSL, then EXO, easily eats a full weekend. If you already own a garage, care about one vehicle long-term, and want protection close to a professional install without paying installer prices, this earns its cost. Owners who've run this combo for over a year report the gloss and slickness holding with zero visible wear, and the water beading actually improves once EXO settles in fully. If you're hoping for a Saturday morning refresh, skip to a lower number on this list, because this product will test your patience before it tests your paint. Rushing the cure window is the most common mistake reported with this kit, since exposing either layer to moisture too early can leave a hazy, uneven finish that ends up needing machine polishing to correct. Number 5, Cerakote Professional Ceramic Paint Coating. Cerakote's professional kit ships as 230 milliliter bottles for around $100, and the marketing leans hard on one number. A 5-year limited warranty backed by a claim of protection lasting over 500 washes. Application is fast for a coating this durable, customer ready in 2 hours, safe to wash after 24. Here's the label trick worth knowing before you buy. Run the math on 500 washes. The average car owner washes roughly every 2 weeks, about 26 times a year. 500 washes at that rate works out to almost 19 years, which nobody believes for a ceramic coating. That's because the 500 wash figure comes from accelerated lab testing, simulated washing, UV exposure, and detergent contact under controlled conditions, not literal trips through a car wash. Cerakote itself has acknowledged this gap publicly, stating that longevity varies too much by climate and care to promise a fixed number of years. And detailing form owners running this coating outdoors year-round consistently report 1 to 2 years of daily driven performance, not 5 and not 19. That doesn't make it a bad product. It still gives you a fast, professional-style application at home, mirror gloss, and strong bead behavior early on, and owners consistently praise how forgiving the wipe-off stage is compared to other coatings on this list. Just budget for reapplication well before that headline number suggests you'll need to, especially if the vehicle sits outside year-round rather than in a garage. Best for the buyer who wants a professional workflow without professional pricing, and who reads 500 washes as a lab metric worth researching further, not a promise printed in years. It's also a smart pick for someone easing into ceramic coatings for the first time, since the short 2-hour cure means you're not committing an entire weekend to find out if you like the process. Number 4, Adams Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. At $119.99 on sale, regularly $144.99 for a 60 milliliter bottle that coats about 2 full-size sedans, this is Adams' flagship liquid coating. Here's the number. Most other brands on this list can't back up the same way. Adams states this coating has been independently certified at 10H plus hardness by SGS Labs, a third-party testing lab, not an in-house claim. Officially rated for 9+ years of protection, it carries 50% more coating resin than Adams' standard graphene ceramic coating, plus added silicate resin for extra durability. You'll also get a patent-pending UV tracer built into the formula, So an Adams UV flashlight lets you check for missed spots between body lines and mirror caps before the coating cures, instead of finding out months later when a dull patch shows up under direct sunlight. The trade-off is prep. Full wash, clay, decontamination, and polishing are required before application, and the coating needs a full 24-hour cure away from moisture. Skip steps here and you're not getting anywhere near that 9+ year figure, and Adam's own instructions are blunt about it. An incorrectly installed coating may need polishing off entirely and reapplying from scratch. Best for the owner, keeping one car long-term, who wants the strongest lab-documented hardness claim on this entire list, and is willing to put in a full prep day to get it. It's less suited to someone who rotates between multiple vehicles or leases a car every few years, since the labor investment only pays off over a long ownership window. Number 3, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. At around $22 for a 16-ounce bottle at Walmart, this is the easiest entry point here. No clay bar, no polishing required. Turtle Wax's own instructions say spray directly onto a clean, dry car and wipe off. A full vehicle takes well under 20 minutes, and it currently sits as a bestseller in Amazon's automotive topcoat category. Turtle Wax's official listing states the SiO2 formula can protect for up to 12 months with a second coat applied. Owner reviews on Amazon and Walmart tell a more grounded story. Most describe 3 to 6 months of real-world beading and gloss before it needs reapplying. That's still a meaningful step up from a traditional wax, just not the full year printed on the label. Best for someone who's never touched a ceramic product before, wants results today, and doesn't mind reapplying a few times a year instead of chasing multi-year protection. It's also the one product on this list you can realistically pick up in person at a Walmart or AutoZone on the way home, no online order required, which matters if you'd rather see and smell a bottle before buying it. The most common complaint in owner reviews is streaking on darker paint when too much product goes on in one pass, easily avoided by using a lighter mist and buffing with a clean, dry microfiber before it has a chance to haze over. Number 2, Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. This 14-ounce spray runs about $20 on Amazon, a little less for the 12-ounce size at Walmart, and it's built as a quick topper rather than a base coating. Cerakote rates it for 50 washes, and that number deserves context. Most competing spray sealants in this price range are only rated for 10 to 20 washes. So on paper, this one is printing roughly double to quintuple the durability of its closest rivals. And unlike the 500 wash claim 2 spots up, this number is small enough to actually be believable as real-world use. Application takes minutes, wash the car, spray a light coat, buff to a shine, no cure time gymnastics, and no garage required. Cerakote includes a spray nozzle attachment and a microfiber cloth right in the kit, so there's nothing extra to buy before your first use. Best for the daily driver who wants a fast, honestly labeled refresh between deeper details, not a multi-year commitment. It also works well as a top-up layer over a longer-lasting coating like Carbon Force or Crystal Serum Light, extending the gloss and slickness between full reapplications without touching the base layer underneath. Just don't confuse it with the heavier coatings ranked above it on this list. This is a booster, not a foundation to build multi-year protection on. Number 1, Chemical Guy's Carbon Force Ceramic Coating. At $139.99 for a single 1 fluid ounce bottle, this is priced right alongside Adam's Advanced Graphene, and it earns the top spot on real-world balance rather than any single flashy number. Chemical Guys officially rates it for up to 5 years of protection, and it's layerable. Adding coats increases thickness and scratch resistance with a 12-hour cure recommended between layers. A professional detailer who tested Carbon Force across multiple vehicles, including a daily driven truck that had never been coated before, rated its strength and longevity 8 out of 10 each, noting the bond held up against a full pressure washer blast of hard water without breaking down or lifting at the edges. That's a real stress test on a working vehicle, not a lab number on a spec sheet. The catch is size. 1 fluid ounce covers about 2 sedans or 1 full-size truck, so per milliliter, you're paying close to what Gtechniq charges for its combo kit, just without the indoor cure requirements or the 2-part application process. It ranks number 1 because it's the closest thing on this list to Gtechniq level multi-year protection, without Gtechniq's weekend-long application process or Adam's heavier resin prep. The single bottle also stays useful well past the main application, since owners commonly hold back a small amount to spot treat headlights, chrome trim, and wheels once the main coating is cured. For a single daily driver you plan to keep, this is the coating that balances real durability against real-world usability better than anything else here, and it's priced close enough to Adam's Advanced Graphene that the choice between them comes down to how much prep work you're willing to put in, not how much money you're willing to spend. Before you buy any ceramic coating, check whether the durability claim on the bottle is measured in years or in wash count, because those two numbers are not tested the same way. And a wash count figure almost always needs translating into real months before it means anything. Want a same-day driveway refresh? Start at number 3 or number 2. Chasing documented multi-year protection? Number 1 or number 4 are your safest bets. Every price here is current as of today, sitting in the description below. Tell me in the comments which one is going on your car next.